The Indian telecom business has witnessed a substantial growth in the recent privatization of this sector. The same is likely to be pegged at 20 billion US dollars by 2007. Tata, by virtue of its unparalleled commitment to diverse businesses and its pedigree of economic value creation, is also poised to leverage on this opportunity. The group has made significant investments in building a resilient infrastructure which would help it deliver world-class services to its customers. Tata Indicom Enterprise Business Unit saw its strategic formation as an umbrella brand to herald an integrated approach to offer one-stop data and voice services to enterprises. Tata Net is an integral part of this formation.
TataNet was born in 1995 along with the other VSAT service providers, and it started its operations providing a backbone business communication infrastructure to the Tata Group companies. Ever since then, we have had the experience of implementing diverse solutions across our group companies. And recently, with the deregulation of the telecom market, we chose to leverage this experience and extend it to customers by and large in the commercial domain. It has been our relentless endeavor to provide superior services to all of our customers, and that is validated by the support received by our customers when we went public.
Tata Net has a cohesive team of young, aspiring and committed professionals who ensure that customer satisfaction is at its peak.
At TataNet, we have instituted a process-based culture. A culture wherein processes cut across all the functions: sales, network operations, projects, customer support, and so on. This is based on the Tata Business Excellence model, which the Tata Group has adopted based on the American Malcolm Baldrige model.
Our goal is to leverage Viasat's cutting-edge technology to deliver high standards of service which our valued customers expect of TataNet.
Our consultative approach towards architecting robust and tailor-made solutions for our customers have added significant value to their business. Apart from running the traditional application like SCM and CRM, TataNet have developed applications like interactive distance learning and two-way video conferencing, which for the first time in the country is being deployed on a TDM network. With such expertise, TataNet would like to become a truly global player.
As a company, we had to contend with a large number of sites which were spread across the country, right from the north to south, across from east to west. And many of these offices and companies were located in places where there were no other form of connectivity. So VSAT was the option that we were looking at. And this had to connect and seamlessly integrate with all other forms of communications. The other places we had leased lines and we had RFs. And as we looked at this, we had the option of looking at various companies, and we finally settled in on the Tatas because Tatas was a telecom company and it had all these things that we were looking for. And more so, we had to contend with the fact that we needed video conferencing facilities at remote places, and this MFTDMA facility which Tatas were offering over the VSAT was the right fit for such an application. Apart from this, we run SAP out of our central data center, which is in Mape, and there are over 800 users across the country. The branches at various places were also connected, some of them on VSAT and some of them through VPN. We are now contemplating on having a common mailing solution to run over this. And this network has now provided us a platform for various applications to run. And Tatas have provided that, and it has been a single point of solution for these various services that we were looking at.
TataNet has shown a significant and sustained growth, and the team is upbeat about a promising future.
Our focused and customer-centric approach has made us acquire more than 100 customers in last 1 year. We look forward to continue the same momentum in days to come.
Our strategic sales initiative gives us a competitive edge, and it shows our commitment towards long-term partnerships.
Voltas is one of the most highly diversified organizations in the country. It has been an IT pioneer for last 30 years or so. In 1970, we began with our first computerization project, and we have continued till now in the same way. In September 2003, we began on our SAP journey for one of the SBUs. The underlying architecture was a centralized system which demanded that the communication technology that is underlying has to be a strong, stable, reliable, fast one. For this, we chose TataNet. This was commissioned from 1st of February 2004, and our SAP implementation went live from 1st March 2004. Since then, we have experienced no difficulty using the TataNet communication network. Now we are planning to go for SAP for the remaining 9 SBUs, and we are discussing with TataNet the roadmap for our communications architecture, which will cater to data, voice and others.
We regularly innovate our product based on market needs, and this leads to constant value addition in our product line.
We started our engagement with TataNet sometime last year. Our initial objectives were to have a substantial reduction in cost of running the network, as well as having the advantages of working with one service provider instead of multiple service providers. There was a good work done as far as architecting the entire network is concerned. Post that, Tata Network also got into the deployment mode. We had some initial teething problems, but after that, network has been stable. It's performing well. Our initial objectives are met, and at this stage, we are quite comfortable with TataNet.
The company has a solid back-end operations team who work round the clock to ensure uptime commitments.
The technical expertise and dedication in my team has helped meet high level of uptimes and service levels. The network monitoring system ensures proactive addressing to customer problems.
The spirited TataNet team is backed by strong project management professionals who ensure meeting up of deliverables in stipulated timelines.
It has been our constant endeavor to delight our customers by implementing networks much ahead of time. We believe program management is an integral part of our business.
The speed of response shown by TataNet's team has delighted us. They were methodical in every stage of the project execution. We started with a few sites, but TataNet service quality has made us deploy more VSATs, and we plan to continue the expansion with them in the months to come.
I'm with TataNet for last 3 years and have installed more than 300 terminals at different locations. The joy of learning and care for employee helps me maintain constant commitment to my job and customer satisfaction.
TataNet today has a large installed base of VSATs with leading businesses and has always strived in upholding their promises.
We have adopted best practices in HR to motivate our employees and to help them in their career progression.
I am confident that with the approach towards business excellence, TataNet will become a dominant VSAT solution service provider with the support and commitment of my colleagues.
At TataNet, we love to serve and aspire to become the truly global SATCOM solution provider.